Hello, I am outside of my house, as you can tell by the trees and the hat and the long sleeve shirt. I'm kidding, I don't dab a lot, so that is a rare treat. This on my hand is actually a treble clef. It looks weird right now because I think the camera's reversed, but it's supposed to be a treble clef. If you don't know what a treble clef is, you are in the dark. Man, you're in the dark. Okay, so what I'm gonna do today is give you a tour of my farm, as you can tell by the title and everything else. So I'm going to start with what I am sitting on. I am sitting on this bench that we have had since my oldest sister was a baby, and she's like 27 or something. I don't remember her age off the top of my head right now. I don't really want to think about it right now because she's my sister and she's all grown and she's married. She doesn't live with us anymore. It's sad. But we're on Thanksgiving break, so that is a happy moment for me, at least. So yeah. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm making a video because it's Thanksgiving break. It's only Tuesday, so it was a half day today. So it's like 2 right now. Well, it's probably like 3 right now. But we got out of school at 12:30, and I've been trying to make this video the entire time, but it hasn't been working out because I kept doing weird stuff and my whole storage was too cluttered, so I had to delete some stuff off my phone and off of my camera. And so yeah, so let's get right into the video. I don't know where it paused, but that's the rock bench. Y'all saw what I was just sitting on. That's my cousin Jan's house. It used to belong to her father, my Uncle Jerry. Her children, well, her child, Shelton. His name is Shelton. His wife's name is Cheryl. They have 2 children. The oldest one is Matthew. He's like 17 or 18. I don't know. Don't ask me. I think he's like a senior. Alright. It's fall. My nose is all stuffed up. So, if my accent pops out a few times, don't blame me. Blame the weather. Blame all the leaves. And blame all the trees. And blame all everything. Except me. Cause it ain't my fault. Blame the beer on the whiskey, bring the whiskey on the beer. Something. But it ain't my fault. If y'all don't know that song, it's your loss. Yeah. Okay. What I was saying. So, Sheldon and Cyril have 2 sons. One's name is Matthew. He's the oldest. He's like 17 or 18. It's not my fault that I don't know his actual age. Second one is Dallas. He is 13. He's my age, if y'all didn't know. So I was covering up a hole in the ground that I would probably have fell in, even though it's like this tall. I don't get it. I fall into everything. Yeesh. Sorry, my hand started itching. Okay, so it's the side yard. Nothing special about that. There's the road. There's my driveway. That's my house, the blue one. That open thing is my porch. I'll show y'all that later. Then there's the trampoline right where my hat is. Then the truck. Then the clubhouse, which I will show you closer up in the end of this video. I'm going to circle around that way. And that would probably be last because I have to go to my house last. Okay, so I'm going to make my way to the back of the cow pasture. Connected to the front one, it loops all the way around our property. And I'm not going to go into the cow pasture because Woody is mad at me at the moment. So yeah, I'm gonna show you that. So let's go to that. Okay, I'm here. This is all the cow pasture, and then back through there. First I will show you the old pig pen. That is this contraption back there behind that tire. And Shelton's house had burnt down. I don't know how long ago, but it did, and he started living with my cousin Jan. And so me and Dallas went to school together. That was very amazing. We went to middle school together. I'm in 8th grade, if y'all don't know. But he left our 6th grade year, so he hasn't come back yet. But he's visited a whole bunch. He will most likely be in one of my videos, so stay tuned for that. But their house burnt down, and I don't know the story behind that lawnmower, but it got burnt as well. Then all the hay is back there. There's a few random tires everywhere. That's just a random truck. This is some Chevrolet truck thing. I don't know. There's the hood somewhere. I know where it is, but I don't know at the same time. But anyway, behind all that stuff, behind that truck that I just showed you, there is a tractor that pulls the wood splitter, where we split the wood, of course. Oh, I broke this. Oh, and there is a 3-wheeled golf cart. It's supposed to be a 3-wheeled golf cart, so don't blame me for breaking it, because I didn't break it. Okay, so back behind there is something wrestling in there. I'm not gonna go in there because it's probably Fox, but I'm just gonna continue the video and ignore that weird noise that is scaring me to death. But anyway, there is a truck or dump truck back there. There is also this lawnmower thing. That's where that's where the grass gets stored once it vacuums it all up. There's something back there. That back there is the one of the hay balers. I'm not gonna check out the noise again, but back there is the round hay baler. I'm pretty sure that is. That's just a tractor that pulls a trailer full of hay. There's another trailer full of hay. Has its own little thing and some random stuff. This is actually the hay bine, the square one. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. I haven't used this one in a while. The other hay bine is out because my dad just did some more hay. That's why there's a bunch of hay. So some more hay. And then the horse trailer, we don't actually own any horses, so it's more like the cow trailer. So yeah, there's nothing really else that's so fascinating, but there is this I painted a painting of this back behind me, whatever that is. It's a tractor. I don't know what it's called right now. But yeah, that's that. So yeah, that's the only like really interesting thing back here. So I'm just gonna skip to the chickens. Let's go to that. Okay, so that's the chicken coop. There's only plastic on it because that's weird. Sorry, I just saw something in the reflection of the thing. I'm sorry, girls, I can't let you out until 4 and when Dad gets home, pretty much. But yeah, that's that. So that's the chicken. So fascinating. Keep the plastic on there to keep them warm. This is just some random stuff that my dad collects. Some other random stuff. This is my dad's workspace. Has this huge chalkboard that I used to put everything on, and that was, can't point to it, it's that way. The goal, y'all can see that. I actually gave that to my sister for her birthday, and he stole it back from her. I have to pull up my pants, I'm sorry. Yeah, I don't have a belt. Hold up. Okay, so this is his workspace. It's actually a lot cleaner than it used to be. He just cleaned it a few days ago, and he's still cleaning it. So that's why I don't clean stuff. It takes too long to clean. That is a old dump truck that just broke. I don't really know. I don't know the story behind it, but it broke. So don't pray call that number because I can't blur it out. I'm sorry, but I don't have that amazing editing skills. So, yeah. But this is the front field. There's the garden there. All of the cows are on the other side of the garden. Wood is kind of mad at me at the moment because I tried to do this video multiple times before, and he's caught me and chased me out of the pasture a million times, and he's scared of the tripod. So that's why he kept chasing me, and he knows the tripod is in my hand. So yeah, he is a stubborn cow. Should try and beat him. Horrible. Sorry, that was like the grasshopper flying thing. Oh no. But back behind that shelter, I'm gonna start behind it, is where we chop some wood. The shelter actually has the boat and a truck. Y'all can't see it behind that thing. I don't know what that is, but there's this like old ATV thing that we used to play with when we were young. Now it's all faded and broken because we were rough drivers. Now we have actual three-wheelers. But anyway, there's some like storage units back there and everything. And the rest of the barn, I'm not going to show you all of that stuff because then I would have to go into the cow pasture. And like I said before, he's afraid of the tripod, so he won't let me in there with it. But he's eating right now, so I don't really think he'll care. But he kind of tripped when I was in there last time. I was on that huge mound over there where I'm pointing, kind of right there. I was on that, and then he tripped and kind of got dirt all over his stomach and kept tripping over the rocks. So yeah, that's that. And he chased me out. Like, I started running because I knew that he was gonna like be mad at me. So yeah, this video is 15 minutes long. But anyway, there he is now. Mad at me. Hey, Woody. Hey, Wood. Wood, can you come here? Hold on. I'll pause it until he comes. He's not coming. But there he is. That's Woody. He's the only adult-ish bull. So he's like the leader. Not really. Mama is the leader. Mama is... Sorry, I can't tell the difference between her and Wilbur. But Mama is back there. Right over. Trying to point to her. There she is right there. That's Mama. And then these two are Wilbur and someone else. Oh, Woody decided to join me. Wow. Thanks so much. That's Woody. He can't go onto that thing because he loses balance. Hey, Wood. You love me. You love me. I know you love me. You just like to ram me a lot. He loves me. Selfie. Wait, I actually want to take a selfie of this. Yes, I took the picture the first time. Yes, finally. If I touch him, he will probably ram me. So, at least try to flick me up. But yeah, see the mud on him? That was from earlier this morning. Yeah. I have bugs all over him. Because of me. And he's probably really mad at me. So yeah. Not gonna show you the rest of that. But yeah, Mama, Wilbur, Milk Dud, Lucky, and Buzzy, and then one more. Don't really know her name right this moment, but hey, bud. He loves me so much, he wants to lick me. See? He loves licking people. I don't get it. He tries to bite some people's shirts off. Nope. I'm not gonna do that again. Oh my god. I just found a dead bird. Oh, poor little birdie. Hold on, I'm gonna pause this video. Okay, so this poor little birdie died. I'm sorry, bird. I had a moment of silence for it. And now I'm walking away because it's really disgusting. Look at Woody, look at me. This dude. Okay, so, now I have circled back to the club house. Okay, so I'm gonna show you the side. The side just has the shelter for our van that we don't really use anymore. I'm going to show you the window. The window. Oh. Don't look at that song up unless you are older than at least 15. Okay, so that's just some random crap that's in there. But back in there, we used to collect bottles, and yeah, we found a whole bunch of bottles where the old pigs were. That was from the very far beginning of the video. This video has been 20 minutes. I'm sorry if I wasted your time. But yeah, that's it. And I call it Club Hoose because my sister is very inaccurate with spelling. She said Club Hoose. And then someone pointed it out to her, and she drew it in the E. But we ran out of space paint, so she couldn't really spray paint it. But yeah, those are childhood memories. I'm gonna show you 2 more things. The basketball goals. This goal is crooked because We've had it a long time, and a few hurricanes swept it over a few times. There is another basketball goal that has been recently purchased by us. So yeah, that's awesome. Okay, so Ram 1500. Love this truck. Picture worthy. Okay, sorry. I'm taking a lot of pictures on this tour. Okay, so trampoline, pretty self-explanatory. You bounce on it. Very fun. Okay. So it shocks you whenever it gets off. It's like 16 years old. So I wouldn't suggest multiple people being on it. Woody is still in the same place I left him. These poor birds are probably looking for its friend. A little birdie. Okay, so that's my room. Can't seem to put my finger on. There we go. That's my room. There's another window on the other side of the house. That is Megan's room. It used to be my room, but now it's not. That is my parents' bathroom. That's my parents' bedroom window. Then there's the door. Then there's the garage door. And then the golf cart, y'all saw that. There are multiple bikes over there. It's my sister's, my brother-in-law's, my other sister's, and then mine. Then the car that's kind of broken right this moment. Sorry. Okay, so it's kind of broken at the moment, but yeah. So that concludes this video. I might post some bloopers in it later. So, peace. So I'm going to put the videos, not videos, the pictures that I took, the 3 pictures that I took, in the next second. So look at those. You are about to see the bloopers. Stay tuned. I really need to get off this trampoline. I'm gonna shock myself to death. Oh, it's recording. Okay. I'm good. I did it. It is recording. Hey Megan, can you hold this? It's gonna be like for like the transitions. But I'm not video. Yeah, I am. A farmer's life for me. I can't get up here. I got it. Can you at least hold it now? Because I fell off the other one. I might have to do another one. I'm videoing. A farmer's life for me. It's a random pizza box. A burnt pizza box. Okay, now I just need to get up on here. See if I can do this for the transitions. I'm rolling. Yeah. Now I have to like turn it off with my nose. What are you doing? Trying to fix this thing, dude. It's not really working. Okay, guys. I'm going to now walk to the side yard. And I was going to tell you a story about it. So we just hang out there a lot and everything. So yeah, here it is. To see. Okay. Good. Woozy. Okay. So yeah. I think I'm gonna like start it right here. I'm just rolling for no apparent reason. More bloopers. I'm just gonna climb this bench because I feel like it. Hey, I actually climbed it this time. I'm actually on top of it. That feels awesome. Just random stuff. Yeah. I'm gonna step back down, see if I don't fall. I did it! I didn't fall entirely. Okay, now I'm gonna climb this tree. No, not gonna happen. Okay. I'm going to climb this tree. Never mind, there are snakes in there. Okay, so now I'm going to show you my back cow pasture. It's been there for a while, and of course I fell. That's just something I do. Hurt. Oh, it's rolling. Farmer's life for me. I'm going to fall off of that. I'm not going to do that. Okay, so now I'm walking. There's a snake there. Walking around that thing. Okay. Alright, so yeah, that's how wacko my family is. Probably not gonna put that part in there. So you know what, I'm just gonna pause it now. You're gonna kiss me or not. We're gonna do this so Of course it's on. Why wouldn't it be on? We're gonna do this. I need to quit doing that. Hope you like those videos, guys. Okay, see you most likely next week. Bye. For real this time.